Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the particular chart of crude, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall is happening. Okay, and this particular downfall is moving in a descending order. Okay, now what you can see looking at this chart, that there is a red candle forming for this particular week and a strong support, as I've already told you, coming at around $77.87. okay, and this particular resistance crosses upside, then we can see it can go further high. But if this level breaks downside, which is already now trading at below this particular level, so the strong resistance we can see coming at around $68.37. Before we move forward and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in crude, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. So probability is very high that we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of $70.57. okay, and if that level moves further low, then chances are very high that it can break this particular level of $69.77 and can touch a level of around $67.75. okay, and once this level goes 67.75 downside, then chances are very high that we can see a level of $66.55, and from there we can see a level of $62.92. so you have to understand, once it fall below a level of $67.67, we can see a level of 66, and from there we can see it can go below that particular level and can touch a level of around $63.23. after that, what we can see, that this is the level from where we can see a little bounce. If it breaks downside, chances are very high we can see a level of $60.91, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can fall further low. okay, so now as I have already told you that the price of crude is coming down, but it is coming in a volatile range. It is moving upside as well as coming down. So if it form a swing at this particular level, okay, but what we have seen, that these are the three strong support and resistance. These are the 3 points where, okay, 77 level is already being pushed down, so now trading at around 74.44. so the next support, strong support, is at around 68 level. So probability of touching this level is on a higher side. okay, but if it form a swing at this particular level, what we can see, it can go further upside with a strong resistance at coming at around $77.42. okay, and once it crosses this particular level, chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of $79.84 to a further upside towards a level of $85.58. keep that in mind. Once it sustains above a level of $83, we can see a level of $85.58. now once it sustains above this particular level, $85.58, probability of moving further upside is on a higher side. So once it goes above a level of $85.58, we can see it can cross that particular level of 88 and then can touch a level of $93.54. and once it goes above that particular level, we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards 97.96 is there, and then further upside if the price sustain. okay, now you have to understand something, that what people do is they in trading, most of the people lose money. okay, so suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. okay, that is 1000 to 1500. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. okay, suppose if you took 5 trades also, your maximum risk per trade is $100, that comes to $500 full trades. okay, so if you lose $500, that means all trade you lose, your risk is $500. it will not affect your psychology, but what people do is they lose so much money in the beginning itself, they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. This is what they do. If you want to, what I teach, how to overcome all these things. So I teach when to trade, when to strategize, how to open the position, when to sit quietly. This is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.